Today we'll talk about we'll look at the question of matter. We're talking about specifically separation techniques. And under separation techniques, we are looking at the question which came in 2014, question 9, which is talking about the mixture of sand and salt. Looking at stage 1 here, under stage 1 here, we have the mixture of sand and salt. Then at stage 2, we also have salt is now mixed with water as well as what the sand. From stage 3, we also have at stage 3 now the separation that is being done of the liquid which is at unknown. From there, we now have the questions from what we learned last time. So the question A is saying to say, state one property that allows salt to separate from in sandy in stage 2, I mean. So from stage 2 here, when you look at it, what makes salt to be separated from sand? We are talking about its solubility. Solubility, we're talking about not dissolving from what? From the sand not dissolving from the salt, or sand not being immiscible from salt. Then here, question B, we have the question which is saying, what term is given to the liquid at stage 2? What do we call the liquid in which this now salt is dissolving? We call this as what? A solvent. A solvent is a substance in which a liquid or any substance will dissolve. So our answer at question B1 is what? Solvent. Then B2, what term is given to liquid at stage 3? Stage 3, the liquid now that has been passed through the filter is known as what? Remember what we talked about, the distillate. We talked about the distillate. The distillate or filtrate that passes through the filter paper. Then we also have question 3 now, or question C, which is saying, why is the mixture heated over at water bath at stage 4? Why did they heat this mixture at stage 4? The answer will be to prevent the impurities to disturb the boiling point of the solution, or the boiling point of water. This water which was used is not pure water. It is water that contains some impurities. So the impurities will affect the filtration, or the evaporation or crystallization process which is taking place at stage 4, I should say. Then we also have question D, which is saying, at what stage is the residue obtained? What is a residue? A residue is a substance now that remains on top of the filter paper. So when you look at stage 3, what we have some particles, in short, sand is remaining on top. So this is stage 3, that is the residue. This is the residue. The residue is a substance that remains on top of the filter paper. Also, the last question now is saying, state the separation techniques used to separate the mixture at stage 4. So, what is the separation technique that is used to separate this mixture at stage 4? If you look at this point, the filtration that took place from stage 3 now is being brought to stage 4 for what purpose? To obtain the salt in crystal form. So, this process is known as crystallization. If any questions, any clarifications, you can drop via e-learning of Smart Mutaiwa. Thank you, and you have a blessed day.